thought you'd left.
No, Cal did, but I'm waiting for the rental company.
Could have asked me.
Test. This is a statewide required monthly test of the emergency alert system, originating from the Pennsylvania Emergency Management Agency, Harrisburg. This is only a test.
Well, at least again, I'm gonna say this again. At least PA does their test properly on like New Jersey does. New Jersey, please just fix your goddamn voice. That would be really, really great. Getting sick and tired of hearing the voice that I do not like. I'm getting sick and tired of it. I just had enough.